class. Today we will learn about Idaho. Get out your history book and turn to chapter 6. Hey Miss Jefferson, can I use the bathroom? Sure Rosie, but be back in 2 minutes, because we will start in 1 minute. I am going to push the fire alarm button. Class, there's a fire in the building. Single file, get out through the south exit, and line up at the football field.
Where were you?
Oh, I had a pebble on my shoe.
Teachers, students, and staff, there is no fire in the building. Someone pushed the fire alarm button. You all can come inside, but Rosie, come to my office right now.
Rosie, don't say this is true. Did you push the fire alarm button? Tell me the truth or parent-teacher conference.
Yes, I did it, so I cannot learn about Idaho.
Rosie, that button is not a toy, that button is for a fire situation. Because you pushed that button, you're suspended for 8 weeks. Go home now.
Oh, Rosie, how dare you push the fire alarm button? You know that button is not a toy, it's for fire situations. That's it. You are grounded until New Year 2014, upstairs, now.
Yo 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 a.
Hellcat!